go.
No, don't touch it. Here. This one is Kale's egg.
This is the egg.
This is this ridiculous thing. Here. Let's put it. Here, hold this. Can you hold it?
And one down.
And there went Kale's egg. Where'd it go?
Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
And that's why we hard
Where's
boiled.
that?
That's right there, hard boiled. I'll be right back.
Kale,
Kale, smile.
say hello. He's trying to scoop up another.
Kale, stop.
Kale,
Wait
stop,
for
please.
Grandma.
Wait for Grandma.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Kale, look at mommy.
Okay, here, baby doll.
Cheese.
Here we go.
All right, ready? Now we're gonna hold it this way.
This way.
Grandma, hold on to it till it gets in there. Okay, ready? Let's dunk it in the color. That's what color is that?
It's a green.
Yes, it's green. Look at the egg is green now. Dip it again.
Again.
Ah, good. All right, let's turn it over.
Forever.
Now what color? What color do you like?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Here, wait, let's put the egg on it.
Where the egg goes. The egg.
All right. Well, that was Grandma's.
Yeah.
Yellow. Dip it, dip it, dip it.
Cheese.
Dip. Oh, look how pretty.
Wow.
How pretty you made that egg.
Look, it's the yellow.
Yes. Good job, little buddy.
Okay.
Let's go.
You want to do another?
Where's the red dot?
Let's see, whose is this one?
It's a red. Look.
Oh, this is Kale's egg. What color should Kale's egg be?
Yellow.
Blue, green, yellow, and red.
Red.
Red?
Red.
All right.
Red.
Put it in there.
Red.
In the red. Dip it. Oh, yeah, good dip.
Ooh. Yippee.
Pretty. Kale's egg. See your name on it? It says Kale. Now, you want to dip it in blue? Dip it in blue. Ooh, pretty. Ooh.
Ooh.
Blue. Color of octagons?
No, the shape in the dipper is an octagon.
Dipper's an octagon. Good idea. This is Grandpa G.
It's gray.
Grandpa G.
What color do you want, G?
Blue,
Green.
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 He knows. Grandpa likes green.
Dip it in green.
Yay.
What else? You want blue, red,
Red.
red?
Yeah, some red. There you go.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
Yay.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
That's pretty. Look at how pretty. Look at that. Oh my. That's lovely.
Good job.
Good job. Now, let's see. Who do we have here?
Red.
This is Daddy's.
This
What color for Daddy?
is a red. It's a blue.
Blue for Daddy. All right. Dip it in the blue. Ooh, pretty blue.
Blue. Blue.
Ooh, okay, let's turn it over. And what else?
Blue.
What else? Blue and what?
Blue and red.
More blue?
Blue.
Okay.
Blue.
Okay, more blue. Look at that. It says Daddy.
It's day. It's
Yes. Do you want to put Daddy's in the red?
red. Red.
Yep.
Red.
Okay, red.
Red. Dip it
Dip it in the red.
in.
Now hold it there for a minute. Hold it for just a minute.
Just.
Okay, that's good. Take it out.
Whee!
Ooh, that's pretty. Look at it. It's purple.
It's purple.
It's purple and pink.
a pink.
Yeah.
Good job.
Green. Green.
One more. This is Mommy's.
Which one?
Which color?
Which one? Color. Green.
Green. Okay.
Green.
Dip it in the green.
Green.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Good job. Now we'll turn it over.
Woo!
Here. Wait. We got to do the other side. How about yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow?
You do?
Yellow. Nice. Nice. Ooh. And red too. Okay.
Mommy's getting all the
Mommy's getting
colors.
all the colors. Yeah, use your hand. That's fine. Here, put this down. Do you want to do it in red?
Red.
Oh, here's red.
Red.
Go ahead. You need the dipper. He doesn't want to use his
This
finger.
is red.
Good boy.
And the top.
Okay. Ready?
Set, go.
Okay. My grandma's getting better at that.
You got it this time.
And red.
Yay.
Dip
Pretty.
it again. Dip it again. Okay. Good job.
Ooh.
Ready? Pretty mommy's egg.
It's very pretty.
Isa.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this.
You want to color grandma's some more?
Green. What
Here.
color is this green? What's the color green?
Color grandma's some more. More green?
More green?
Okay.
Green?
Ooh.
More green.
Ooh.
More green, please.
More green.
Yeah, thank you. That's nice.
More green.
More green. Oh, I like green.
Oh, green.
Green.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job, Kale.
You all done?
You're done.
All done. Good job.